Tiny Paws time!
Everything has a home, a place where it belongs. When we're done with toys and games, we help them move along. The blocks like living on the shelf, the books sit nice and straight. The crayons rest inside their box, their home is feeling great. Oh, everything has a home. Everything has a home, a place where things should be. When we put our toys away, our room looks nice to see. The puzzle pieces fit inside, the cars park in a row. The dolls lie down to rest a bit, that's where they like to go. Oh, everything has a home. Let's help them find their place, putting things where they belong. Keep smiles on every face, look around and you might see something waiting there, something waiting there. Pick it up and help it home to show how much you care. Oh, everything has a home, where we're helpers, yes it's true. Working kindly side by side, that's what friends can do. Good job learning, yes you did. You're a super tidy kid. We can do this every day. Smile big and wave, 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 wave.
If you like to sing with us, subscribe!